Changing your business category on Adyen is essential for ensuring that your transactions are processed correctly. Follow these steps to update your business category effectively. Step 1. Log into your Adyen account. Access the Adyen platform by entering your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your business settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the Accounts section in the main menu. Click on it to access various account management options, including business details. Step 3. Select business category. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Shrug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new category. Review the list of business categories provided by Adyen. Select the category that best fits your business operations and complies with Adyen's guidelines. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the new business category, ensure you save your changes. You may need to confirm the update through a verification process, such as an email confirmation. Once you have completed these steps, your business category will be updated on Adyen. Make sure to review your account periodically to ensure all information remains accurate.